nightmares. Turn on the lights, guiding light. Alex Haley's Queen begins Sunday.
Issued forth Jerry and Terry and Perry. One after Perry begat sugar and spice. Then came Whitey the meek and Samantha the brave. The world was then graced by Bruce the good, Flip, and Georgette the
Purina Cat Chow brand cat food for cat chow care, generation after generation.
And Sloans.
Give George, Abe, and Andrew the day off. Celebrate President's Day at Sears Brand Central President's Sale. Pay less for more of America's favorite brands. Kenmore, KitchenAid, GE, Whirlpool, and more, including this huge 18 cubic foot Kenmore refrigerator for $579.99. You save $100. And this large capacity washer is only $249. Matching dryer $219. Save $50 on the pair. So leave these guys at home and save at Sears Brand Central President's Sale now.
The color specialist. Who is that?
I would have sworn I introduced you. Graham's worked for me for years. He's been in New York looking after my co-op there and place in the Berkshires. And I decided to bring him out here rather than hire somebody new, and he got a good day.
Well, since he knows you so well, maybe he can fill me in on all those things you haven't told me yet.
I told you I'd do that.
Just kidding. Well, I have a little surprise of my own. I was going to wait until Valentine's Day, but, well, he gave me this beautiful necklace. I couldn't wait another minute. Open it. Come on, open it. You are the most difficult man in the world to shop for.
For sure.
I looked everywhere. Finally, I went to Sims Jewelers, and Mr. Sims showed me his collection of antique watches. I thought it might be one thing you didn't have. I hope you like it.
I like it very much. Thank you.
Well, I wanted to put an inscription on it, but see, there's already one there. Mr. Sims said it was a gift to a president of a big corporation when he retired.
I don't know why you brought that clock with you, Neil. It was all our father had to show for his life after 25 years with the company.
Well, I think it's a good thing you didn't sign those separation papers, Holden, because I don't believe that Marie really wants a divorce from you.
Well, according to her lawyer, she does. There's no way I can get in that house or any of that money from her.
Well, have you heard any more since you told Jess that?
No. I just wish that Lily and I could talk, though. Divorce is so final.
I know how you feel. My parents were recently divorced, so...
Unless it...
Hi, Grandma.
Is it real mild?
Oh, yes, a mile.
Okay, I don't like the hot.
Oh, I don't either. Dan's brought some of that home the other day. Then Burn your mouth out.
Billy has too before, and I just can't do it. I can't eat it.
Hi, Mom.